want it. I want it.
Sneaky steps and shadowy ways. Welcome to the lair where the code is crafty and the hacks are always ethical. Let's dive into the shadows. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be going through the Jerry room on Hack the Box. It's a Windows machine and it's easy difficulty, and I'm gonna use guided mode to get through this faster since I only have about 2 hours that I can stream for since I work in the morning. But anyway, let's get into it. I've already connected to the VPN and I've already spun up the machine, and I have an IP address. I'll just go ahead and copy that, and then I'm gonna set that to IP. Okay, just so that's easier to manage. Yes, actually what I could also do is I could do sudo nano host and add this to my host file. Jerry.htb, save that. Okay, and then ping jerry.htb. Just do 4 packets. Okay. Alright, so we are ready to go then. And we'll start with reconnaissance. First question says, which TCP port is open on the remote host? So I'm going to run nmap sudo nmap tac tacptac tacpv tac capital PN tac capital T5 jerry.htb. Okay, so I'm going to run nmap as sudo and scan all 65,535 ports on the host. I'm going to use double verbosity, and I'm going to use a tac capital PN flag. If there is any host-based firewall, then that should we'll basically just say that the host is up and we won't perform any pinging with that flag, and dash capital T5 is the fastest scan, and then jerry.htb is our target. So we'll go ahead and run that. Find out what ports are open first. And then after we find out what ports are open, then we'll do a version and the default scripting, or the default script scan against the specified ports that we found were open. Actually, what I want to do is I only want to specify open ports. That should speed up the scan a little bit more. We're also scanning all 65,535 ports, so that could take a minute. So far we have 8080 open, which is gonna most likely be a web server. Okay, so this is gonna take about 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Which is a pretty reasonable amount of time for scanning all 65,535 ports. Sometimes that can take a long time, so that's not a bad amount of time to wait for the scan. Okay, about a minute and a half left, it looks like. This machine is actually part of the Intro to Red Team track on Hack the Box, so I'm assuming that means that this will probably be more of a real world type scenario. That's just a guess that I have. 18 seconds. Then we can get on with the versioning and the default script scan. Ah, okay. Oh, interesting. So, just port 8080 is open. Interesting. Okay, so now we'll just do a version scan against this. Sudo nmap techp 8080 techvv tech capital T, let's see, tech s capital VC for version and the default script scan. I'll do double verbosity. I'll do tech pn again, capital PN again. I'll do tech capital T5. And then specify the target of jerry.hackthebox. Okay. It shouldn't take too long since it's only one port. Okay, so it's Apache Tomcat /7088. Which web server is running on the remote host, looking for 2 words. Okay, that's gonna be Apache Tomcat. Which relative path on the web server leads to the web application manager? Well, let's first start by browsing to the website. http://jerry.htb:8080. Okay, so here is the Apache Tomcat site. Seeing this, you successfully installed Tomcat. Congratulations. Okay. Okay. Which relative path on the web server leads to the web application manager? That's starting with / such as /home. For security, access to the manager web app is restricted. Users are defined in /conf/tomcat-users.xml. What is the relative path that leads to the web application manager? Might just have to Google this. It's not /conf, is it? No, okay, I didn't think so. What relative path on an Apache Tomcat web server leads to the web application manager? /web-inf? No. Is this specific to this web server, or is this general to all Tomcat, Apache Tomcat servers? /web app /manager? Is it just /manager? Wouldn't that just be web apps? How is it not web apps? There's lots of ways to find it. There's a link on the main page of the site. You can also search with terms like Tomcat Web Application Manager path. /manager/HTB. Is it not /manager? /manager/? Oh jeez. How is it not /manager? Is it /manager/HTML? Ah, okay, there we go. What is the valid username and password combination for authenticating into the Tomcat Web Application Manager? Give the answer in the format of username : password. Are there like default credentials? Admin. Can I read this? Requested resources are not available. Crap. Oh wow. Okay. Those must be the default credentials. But now I can't sign in because I got access denied. Can I clear? There's no cookie to clear. Crap. Man, I should not have tried to brute force this. Crap. Crap. Shoot. Man, I should have just tried this. Hey, welcome in, Outcast Sec. I am doing the, Jerry, machine on Hack the Box. I kinda screwed myself, though, because I tried to brute force this, this login page, and now I'm only getting 403 access denied, but now I actually know what the valid credentials are to log in. So I don't know, I might have to reset the machine. Are you a pen tester? I did do some pen testing for about 7 months for an internship. Now I'm working as a junior detection engineer. So I've done IT, SOC, pen testing, and now a little bit more blue team doing detection engineering. But to create detections at my job, I'll do a lot of offensive testing to see if my detections are working correctly, and I'll do that in a lab. Not quite the same thing as pen testing, but it's still something related to pen testing and offensive security, so that's pretty cool. I still want to be a pen tester at some point. I might be assisting with pen tests in the organization at some point too. My boss said. Let's see. Nice. I'm 1 year into my SOC role, but I'm looking to get into detection engineering. Not sure what specialty to go into. I guess we'll pick that back up in a few seconds because there's an ad currently. And we're back. Nice. I'm 1 year into my SOC role, but I'm looking to get into detection engineering. Not sure what specialty to go into. SOC is definitely a good place to start for getting into detection engineering. You'll definitely want to understand both sides of the house. So you'll want to understand defensive security as well as offensive security in order to be a good detection engineer. I got hit with ads right before you read my last comment. LOL, didn't get to hear. Yeah, I went ahead and just repeated it. Ooh. Anyway, you'll want to have a pretty good understanding of defensive and offensive security to be a good detection engineer. And I'm still learning a lot. And a lot of the ways, one of the ways that, you know, detection engineering can be successful is by having a good pipeline of threat intelligence. So you get fed information like IOCs from the SOC and different behaviors that have been seen in the SOC, and then you use that information to create high fidelity detections. And there's also like tuning involved, so like you have to like suppress certain things, and or you might want to have like enrichments for different things, but you definitely want to suppress certain things when you create certain rules, because you don't want those bombarding the SOC with alerts. But you still want to have a high true positive rate for your detection, and you want that to, you want the, obviously the true positives to have a higher percentage over the false positives. Okay, so let's see. How am I going to do this? Is it just going to eventually let me back in? Probably not. I might have to restart the machine, unfortunately. And there's no cookie set or anything, so I can't really do much there. Yeah, I guess I'll have to reset the box. I haven't really done much anyway. Hopefully it gives me the same IP. I don't know though if it will or not. This is a private instance. Just reset the machine already. Please be the same IP. It's not a huge deal if it's not the same IP, but I'll have to change it in the host file if it isn't. This is why I spawn the machine before I start the stream, because it usually takes quite a while to spawn the machine. Is that the same IP? Cat 10.10.10.95. Okay, sweet. That's the same IP. That makes things easier. HTB, colon 80. Okay, so now I go to the manager app. What? Seriously? Am I gonna have to terminate the machine? I think I am. Resetting did not do anything. Okay, I guess I'm terminating then and respawning. Probably get a different IP in that case. What? 2 minutes? Really? That's a lie. No, I don't. Okay. Get back on track here. Oh sweet, and it's the same IP. I just really hope. I think since I spawned a new machine, even though it's the same IP, it should let me log into this now. What? Okay. I don't know what to do then. Is there any way to correct this now, I wonder? This may work. Find the Catalina _home / web app / manager / meta -inf / context.xml file and add the comment markers around the valve. Access Tomcat Manager app from different host, of course. Oh, that's true. Let me try opening it in incognito mode. I always forget that you can do this. For some reason. Jerry.htb:8080. Come on. Yes! Here we go. Tomcat. And then password is secret.
Hell yeah! Goblin life! Ah!
Belhachi followed your channel.
Hey, thank you for the follow, Bilhachi. Okay, so that... I think I entered the wrong credentials in. Oh crap, I put the 3 in the wrong place. The 3 is supposed to be... the second character. Tomcat secret. There we go. Okay. No, I don't need this to remember the password. Okay, what next? Which file type can be uploaded and deployed on the server using the Tomcat Web Application Manager? Okay. It's a war file. File extension without leading to war. Submit the flag located on the user's desktop. Okay, so this is going to be exploitation now. Let's see. So, wonder if I can upload a malicious war file. Is there a way to get Wappalizer on?
Life! Ah!
Charlie YO followed your channel.
Thank you for the follow. I'm gonna... Crap. Can't run extensions in incognito mode, can you? No. So... Okay, I'll do this. Should be able to do this. can't log in here, but I want to see if I can see what technologies are running with Wapalizer. Seriously? I don't know what programming language I can use for a reverse shell. Maybe Python. Or, PHP. PHP. Copy, user share, web shells, PHP. That works for me. I'll just call it shell.php. Nano shell.php. VPN IP. I actually think I can just copy that by clicking on it. Yes. I'll do port. I'll do quad 8. Okay. And then I'm going to move this to shell.php.war. Oh, whoops. Move shell.php to shell.php.war. Okay, let's see. We can upload this. I'll set up my netcat listener. Browse. Documents. CTF. Hack the box. Retired. Jerry. Shell.php.war. Open. See if this works. Deploy. And then how do we execute this? Oh. Do I just hit start? No callback. Fail application at context path / shell.php could not be started. Fail encountered exception org.apache.catalina.lifecycle exception. Failed to start component. Okay, let me undeploy that then. Maybe I can't do that. Does it have to have a... I don't think the extension matters. I don't think that's the problem that we're seeing here. Oh. That's also... There are two ways to deploy this. You can deploy a directory or WAR file located on the server, or you can specify a WAR file to deploy. Browse. Okay, let's try this again. Deploy. Set up the netcat listener again. Nope. Context pass shell could not be started. Let's do this. How to weaponize your file. I'm not even sure what a war file is, to be honest. Hey, welcome in MZ25. Haven't seen you in a while. I mean, I haven't been around for to see you, but it's good to see you. Let's see. Could try wet web just tuned in. Oh yeah. I'm not sure I even have that installed to be. Oh yeah, I do have that installed. Let's see. Web options, URLs. I guess I'll just do this without any options. Lock the box. Colon 80. See what this tells me. What is a war file? Oh, okay. It just tells me that it's running Apache Tomcat. I could be more aggressive with this, I guess. 3 is aggressive, heavy. Requests will be made, makes a lot of HTTP requests per target. All plugins are attempted. Dash A equals 3. I never understand why that doesn't work. What is C dash dash aggression and the number? Three. That should work. Seems to be working. Yeah, that's not really telling me anything else. HTML5, HTTP server, Apache Coyote 1.1. IP, title. Yeah, I don't think what web is probably gonna tell me much more than that. So what is a war file? And how do I weaponize it? Oh, dash A3, not dash A equals 3. The menu on here is really misleading then, because it says dash A equals level. So I was thinking that you set dash A to whatever aggression level you wanted. What is a WAR file? WAR file web application archive is a packaged file format used to distribute and deploy web applications in Java environments. is similar to a jar Java archive file but specifically designed for web applications. WAR file contains all the resources needed for a web application, including Java servlets, Java server pages, JSP, static resources. How do I use that to get a reverse shell though? How to use WAR file to get reverse shell. Tomcat War deployer. Let me look at this. Tomcat penetration testing. By default, Tomcat supports the use of WAR files and JSP pages. However, administrators can configure settings to ensure security and control over file uploads, enhancing the overall safety of the server. Exploiting using Metasploit framework, exploiting manually reverse shell. Let's see. Okay, so this is installing Tomcat. I'm not interested in that. I just want to know how to exploit it. Okay. Multi-HTTP Tomcat Manager upload. So I could use Metasploit. How can I do this manually though? Oh, duh. I can just use MSF Venom. Okay, but I need to know the payload. Okay, so the payload is Java JSP shell reverse TCP.
Hack_smarter rated your channel with 35 viewers.
Hell yeah! Goblin life!
Hazios followed your channel.
Hell yeah! Goblin life!
Mortimerio followed your channel.
Thanks for the raid, Tyler. Welcome in. And welcome in, raiders. And thank you for the follows.
Hell yeah! Goblin life!
Tommy CO6 Wow followed your channel.
I am... well, first of all, Tyler, how was your stream?
Hell yeah! Goblin life!
Hackin' Audio followed your channel.
Hell yeah! Goblin life!
My Brain Hurts 84 followed your channel.
Oh, VulnLab, nice.
Hell yeah! Goblin life!
Nox Lumens followed your channel.
So what I'm doing is I am going through the Jerry machine on Hack the Box. It's an easy Windows box. And I'm doing guided mode because I am a bit out of the loop on this since I haven't done it in a while, and so I'm trying to get back into the swing of things, and I'm just doing research along with the guided mode to get through the machine. But anyway, what I'm trying to learn right now is how to weaponize a WAR file, and I just found out that you can do this with MSF Venom, which I don't know why I didn't think about that in the first place. There's also a Metasploit module for doing this, but I want to do it the manual way with MSF Venom, so I'm going to do that. MSF Venom, and then the payload is going to be Java JSP underscore shell reverse underscore TCP. Lhost is going to be, I think I can just do 10.0 for that. And then lport, I'm just gonna make that quad 8.
InfoSuck followed your channel. R2D42000 followed your channel.
Thank you for the follows. Let's see. So then I need to specify a format of war, and then I'm just going to, you can do either greater than symbol or -O to output this. I'm gonna use -O because I don't know, that's the way I learned how to do it. Oh shit, I actually already have a file called shell.war, but I don't want that anymore. Okay, so let's create that. And this should give us a reverse shell once I deploy this. Alright, and we're back. So I'm just using MSF Venom to create a malicious war file that is a JSP reverse shell. And that has been created. So now I'm going to set up a netcat listener, and I chose quad 8, and I'm going to go back here. And then I'm going to browse for my new war file, open, and then I'm going to deploy it. And then hopefully I can start it and get a reverse shell back. And no. Still not working for some reason. Did I do this right? MSF Venom to attack P. Java /JSP _shell _reverse _TCP. Maybe it doesn't like lhost being set to ton0. Oh, duh. Of course I can't set it to ton0 because the payload is being sent to a different host and it doesn't know what the hell the ton0 adapter IP address is. Crap. Okay. Yeah, that explains why that wouldn't be working then. I have to actually set the IP address here. So I'll remove that and recreate that. I feel very silly right now. Okay, so that's gonna be 10.10.14.3. 10.10.14.3, yes. Okay, so that should work now. Go ahead and recreate that. Okay, so we have our war file now. If we run file shell.war, it should tell us that, oh, shell.war zip archive data, at least version 2 to extract compression method equals store. Okay, interesting. Alright, so I'll set up my netcat listener again. I will redeploy this. Open and deploy. And oh, okay, I guess it automatically deploys if it actually is something that, a file that's actually recognized, but I did not get a callback. I'm not using, Meterpreter, so I shouldn't have to use, I don't think I have to use, oh. Okay. So I guess then I need to click on this and I will get a callback. Okay, awesome. Alright, so I have a callback now. If I run who am I should be, oh yeah, I'm on a Windows machine, I almost forgot. And go back to hack the box. Submit the flag located on the user's desktop. Wait a second, I'm already system, so I don't users. What? Submit the flag located on the user's desktop. Submit the flag located on the administrator's desktop. Oh, is that the public desktop? No? What do you mean? Oh crap. To go back to this directory. Temp. What do you mean submit the flag located on the user's desktop? There's only an administrator. And there's no public desktop. Oh, okay, maybe they're both in here. Okay. 2 for the price of 1.txt. Wait, what? That's only... Oh. They must be in this one file. Okay, that is not something that I've seen before. Price of 1.txt. Oh, okay, I get it now. Okay, so we got that. Paste. And then we have the root flag as well. Oh, whoops. I need to submit the difficulty. I'll just say easy for that. Submit rating. Okay. And then paste this. Woo!
I'm such a bad hacker. Bad.
Oh yeah. Is it like that?
Game over!
Intruder destroyed.
Woo! Okay, so that has been pwned. I still need to submit this rating. Yeah, that was definitely easy. Okay. Awesome. This is getting pretty late. Anybody know RF shit that's here? That is a very good question. I'm a Sherman tank. Nah, bruh, who does RF in... It's supposed to be 2025. Yeah, you just hit the shift key. I wonder if there's anyone we can raid. Cause I've got a decent amount of people in here still. Is there anyone on InfoSec streams? Oh, Kurasek is on. Really? He was on earlier today. I guess is he streaming again? Oh, he is streaming again. Live hacking, home honeypot dashboard, real time. Oh. Oh, I don't think he... I'm not sure he's actually around. I think he's just streaming his honeypot dashboard in real time. But I don't know, you guys might be interested in that, so I could send you over there. I'll go ahead and raid him over there anyway, just in case anyone wants to watch that, to close out the stream. Alright, well, thanks everybody for joining. Hopefully you learned something. I definitely did. I do it every time on this. This was an interesting one. I wasn't aware that you could do this on Apache Tomcat. So that's pretty interesting. Thank you again for the raid, Tyler. Appreciate it. I'm planning on streaming more regularly now. I used to stream on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I think I'm gonna stream Mondays and Thursdays now. So that should be fun. Anyway, I guess I will see you guys on Monday, hopefully. We'll probably be doing another Hack the Box machine. Probably from the intro to Red Team track on Hack the Box, as I'm wanting to learn more about red teaming. But yeah, hopefully I'll see you again next time. Yeah, good night. I'm a Sherman Tank.